The warning driving visualization temporarily degraded in a Tesla vehicle means one of two things. First of all, it will pop up when one of the cameras in your car has poor visibility. This may happen when there is a big object very close to one of the cameras, or when one of the cameras is too dirty. Basically, you can make sure all the cameras are clean and then just drive several miles to see if these disappears. Sometimes it's also a glitch after you install the fresh software update, and it will disappear after you drive the car for several hours. The cameras will calibrate and everything will come back to normal. But if this doesn't happen and the message driving visualization temporarily degraded is constantly on the dash, this will deactivate all your autopilot functions and a lot of other features, so there is one simple and free way you can fix this. You will need to reset the cameras that aren't working right now. For this, go to the service mode. Here's how you do this. Go to controls on the infotainment screen, then tap on the software, and here press and hold the Tesla word on the screen. You will be prompted to enter the password, type service here, and you will enter the service mode. In this mode you may or may not see some alerts with the codes, but it doesn't matter much at this point. You need to go to the driver assist tab in the service mode menu, then tap on cameras. Now one or two of your cameras may be red, which indicates they don't work. What you need to do now is to press reset DAS. You will then be prompted on what to do to complete the reset. Sometimes after the reset is done, you will need to drive several miles, but sometimes the cameras will be available at the same moment when you finish the procedure. If this doesn't work and you still have issues with this message, probably one of your cameras is faulty and you need to make an appointment with the dealership to have a look at it.